Good morning, here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in North London, a beautiful house here. We have almost like a sunroom, Florida room. We are re-roofing. So currently it has a single ply membrane on a wood deck. So we're gonna take that off. We have a shingle tie-in detail. The shingle guys are gonna come in about 2 weeks from now, do the whole house. So we gotta get this done first because it has to shed properly on top. So we got a roof, we're gonna tear this off, make sure the wood's in good shape, and then put a new 2-ply system. We have drip flashing to put around the outside. So there we go. Hope you like it, hope you learned something, and we will get going. We'll show you what it looks like during the tear off process, as well as when we start adhering the base sheet. Thanks a lot. There was obviously no adhesive used on this roof. You can see we're just pulling it back. We've done hundreds of roofs. This might be the easiest tear off we're gonna have. So just for your own sake, when a new roof gets installed, you have to have a good uplift. So when the pressure inside the house is greater than outside, you don't want your roof blowing off. In this case, you did okay, but either you get it nailed down or glued down. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal will show you when this is done. We started adhering the new base sheet down. Thanks. Okay, welcome back. We finished removing the roof. You saw how we pulled the roof off, a little light on the adherent side. We removed enough shingles now to come up underneath. When the shingles come back in a couple weeks, they will redo this and tie in properly. We're gonna start bending the metal flashing. The plywood's in good shape. You can see a red tinge to the plywood now. That's what was missing the first time around. There wasn't an adhesive. So we laid down the adhesive, we gave it some time to flash. Now we're gonna install a peel and stick base sheet. In essence, this is gonna make the roof watertight. We're still gonna put a cap sheet on, but that's basically how the roof is gonna get watertight. The cap sheet is a granular surface to help the membrane from the UV of the sun. So here we go. We're gonna install the base sheet. It's a peel and stick system. It helps us not to bring torches and hot asphalt to the client's house, lessens the danger to the property. So here we go, show you what it looks like. Thanks. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, we finished the job. Go ahead and take a look. Job turned out beautiful. Again, this is a nice enclosed, basically like a sunroom for the client. He's gonna be able to enjoy it. Looks out his windows, and he has a brand new roof. Another interesting thing about this job, the client has decided to paint a black coating. So really in roofing, you only got a few limited choices when it comes to granular cap sheet. But if you find the acrylic coating that you want, your choices are endless to paint the roof how you like. So that's another option. Anyway, Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, hope you liked the job, hope you learned something. If you are in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online. I'll tell you what, this client was really happy with our work. He asked us to come back. We are now gonna do his pool house at the back. You can see the plywood there. The old roof has been completely ripped off. We like doing good jobs for our clients. We appreciate all the clients we have. Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. Thank you so much.